In the dawn of a new era, a silent revolution is underway, not fought with armies, but with algorithms. Artificial intelligence, once the realm of science fiction, is now rewriting the very code of our global economy. Look closely at the world around you. The familiar hum of industry is changing, replaced by the quiet efficiency of automated hands. We stand at a crossroads, witnessing the most significant wealth transfer in human history. The old pillars of industry are crumbling. Stock markets, once driven by human intuition, now dance to the tune of AI-driven trading bots, making and breaking fortunes in microseconds. Traditional jobs, the bedrock of our societies for generations, are vanishing like morning mist. We see the faces of those left behind, the welders, the cashiers, the factory workers, their skills rendered obsolete by a force they cannot see or touch. Their struggle is real, a poignant contrast to the meteoric rise of a new class of wealth. These are the architects of the future, the AI developers, the data scientists, the digital entrepreneurs. They operate not in towering skyscrapers, but in virtual offices, their empires built on lines of code and fueled by data. They are the new millionaires, even billionaires of the digital age, their success a testament to the power of this new technology. We see them seamlessly navigating a world of digital currencies and decentralized finance, their wealth growing at an exponential rate. The numbers tell a stark story. Infographics paint a picture of widening wealth inequality. A small fraction of the population, those who can harness the power of AI, are accumulating wealth at an unprecedented pace, while the majority struggle to adapt. This is not merely an economic shift, it is a societal transformation. The very fabric of our communities is being rewoven. But what does the future hold? Imagine cities powered by intelligent networks, where transportation is autonomous, healthcare is predictive, and every aspect of life is optimized for efficiency. This is the promise of the AI-driven world. Smart cities rising from the desert, gleaming testaments to human ingenuity, where technology serves humanity in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Yet the transition is fraught with challenges. How do we ensure that the benefits of this revolution are shared by all, not just a select few? How do we retrain and reskill a workforce for jobs that don't even exist yet? The questions are monumental, and the answers are not simple. The path forward requires a new social contract, a commitment to education, and a fundamental rethinking of what it means to work and to live. The rise of AI is not a distant prophecy. It is happening now. It is a force of creation and destruction, a tidal wave of change that will leave no shore untouched. We are all participants in this grand experiment. Whether we are building the algorithms or simply living in the world they shape, the future is not yet written. The choices we make today will determine whether this powerful new intelligence leads to an age of unprecedented prosperity for all, or a future of deeper divisions. The story of AI is the story of us, and its next chapter is waiting to be written. Thank you for watching. If this exploration of our AI-driven future resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on wealth? Let us know in the comments below.